Lasso Moderation AI is the latest AI software that promises to revolutionize how businesses handle content moderation. In this Lasso Moderation AI review, we'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing tool that just hit the market. If you're serious about moderating content at scale, you'll want to stick around till the end. And hey, you can try Lasso Moderation AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. So, what exactly is Lasso Moderation AI? Simply put, it's an AI-powered solution designed to automatically moderate and filter content in real time across different platforms. Whether you're managing user-generated content on your website, forum, or social media, Lasso ensures that all content complies with your rules. This software uses state-of-the-art machine learning to detect harmful language, explicit content, hate speech, and more, helping you maintain a safe and brand-friendly environment. Now, the first thing to know is that Lasso's AI is trained on a massive dataset, making it incredibly effective at understanding context and nuance. That means it doesn't just flag words, it understands intent. Whether it's a simple misunderstanding or a deliberate violation, Lasso's AI can accurately distinguish between the two, making your moderation far more efficient. Second, let's talk about scalability. Traditional moderation requires significant manpower, especially if you're managing a community or a platform with millions of active users. Lasso Moderation AI completely eliminates this issue by automating the process. The more content you have, the better it gets. Lasso learns from each new piece of data it processes, improving its accuracy over time. So, whether you're handling thousands or millions of pieces of content daily, Lasso scales effortlessly to meet your needs. One of the key selling points of Lasso Moderation AI is its speed. Unlike human moderators, which can take time to review each piece of content, Lasso works in real time. This means you won't have to worry about harmful content slipping through the cracks or creating a delay in user interactions. Immediate action can be taken, ensuring your community remains safe and compliant. Another major feature is the customizability. You can fine-tune the software's settings to align with your specific guidelines. If you're running a community with a unique set of rules, or your brand needs particular sensitivities addressed, Lasso allows you to create personalized filters. This flexibility means you're not locked into a one-size-fits-all solution. Now, you may be wondering about ease of use. Lasso Moderation AI is designed with the end user in mind, offering a sleek, intuitive interface that makes setup and management a breeze. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you can easily configure and monitor the software. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with popular platforms, so you won't have to juggle multiple tools. The next important thing to note is that Lasso is backed by advanced analytics. Not only does it filter and block inappropriate content, but it also provides insights into trends and patterns. This can be a goldmine for businesses looking to better understand user behavior and improve their content strategy. It's not just about keeping things clean, it's about using data to enhance your platform. Lastly, Lasso's customer support deserves a mention. With a 24/7 support team ready to assist, any issues or questions you have are resolved quickly. This level of service is crucial when you're relying on AI to handle something as important as content moderation. As we wrap up, if you're in the market for a robust, scalable, and user-friendly content moderation solution, Lasso Moderation AI should be on your radar. You can try it for free right now by clicking the link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I found Lasso to be one of the best, and I've even listed my recommended AI tools in the description for you to check out. Thanks for watching this review, and don't forget to hit the link to try Lasso Moderation AI for yourself.